Meaning of Heely.
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 Heely. Heely is a brand of shoes that have a wheel embedded in the sole, allowing the wearer to skate or glide along surfaces with minimal effort. The term Heely is often used to refer to these types of shoes in general. Heelys were first invented by Roger Adams in 1999 and quickly gained popularity among children and teenagers. While they are often seen as a fun and convenient form of transportation, they have also been the subject of controversy due to safety concerns and the potential for injuries when used improperly.